It's okay, pal. Nothing to worry about.
Charlie.
Okay, something to worry about, but we got it under control.
Heads up.
Charlie, hey. It looks like he's taking out the rest of the cameras.
You able to get in touch with Joe yet?
No, not so far. It must be one of those check your cell at the door events. I'll find out where he is and get in contact.
Okay, well, there's been shots fired. I need to call SWAT.
What the hell are you doing?
Taking out their eyes.
What's that matter? We're still trapped in here.
Well,
Not working.
Car's not for that door. Check that cop's. Check his pockets.
What am I looking for?
A fob.
What's a fob?
The
What?
things that open the door, the little plastic things, the magnet, you idiot.
Don't call me that.
Don't be one.
You three are in a world of trouble.
I'd say you're in a hell of a lot worse.
Bingo. Fobby thing. I just found our ticket out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, we have them contained in the holding cells now. 2 hostages, both members.
Okay, stay where you are. We're on our way. Where's your CO?
Joe's at a seminar. I'm ranking officer.
Okay, just stay put. We got this. What's the status of the hostages?
I don't know. The suspects just took out the cameras.
But we heard gunshots.
But we heard gunshots.
Copy that. We're there in 10. All right, let's go.
So, what do we do now?
We wait. Rex.
Well, he's not interested in that.
He knows there's officers in trouble. Hey, secure the lobby.
Charlie.
Yeah. Rex! Hopefully he's just doing reconnaissance.
Could Rex actually fit in there? Are you ready?
Hold on. Make sure the coast is clear.
All clear?
I don't see anyone.
Did you hear that?
That was my stomach. I'm sorry. I made you stay to play Snake Pit.
This isn't your fault, Jesse.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay, we should go meet the team.
Yes.
Charlie, yeah, we're heading to you.
Jesse, I told you to stay put.
Oh, someone had other ideas.